Hey everybody, this is Ted Petru, and this is a video on Jupyter Notebook cell combining magic. In this video, you'll learn how to combine multiple Jupyter Notebook cells. So oftentimes when you're working in a Jupyter Notebook, your code will be sort of scattered around. Maybe there'll be only one or two lines in each cell. You'll be doing some exploration. In this case, I'm just doing a very simple exploration on a data set. And when I'm doing explorations in a data set, I often break down my code into single lines or just as few lines as possible in one cell. Now, after I've looked at the output and I am happy with the analysis, I tend to go back and combine multiple cells together to make the notebook more compact and more readable. So to do this is pretty simple. There's a keyboard shortcut that Jupyter provides that you can use to combine multiple cells together. So for instance, let's say I want to combine cells 1, 2, and 3 together. Well, what you do, the first step is actually to go into command mode by just pressing escape one time. You don't have to hold on to escape. You'll know you're in command mode because the cell will be outlined in blue and there'll be no blinking cursor in the cell. So just start with the cell you want to combine, and then next to combine the cells, you just hold Shift and press M. So I'm just going to hold Shift and press M 3 times, and that will combine these 3 cells. Now when you do this, it will eliminate the output, so you'll need to rerun the cell to actually get the output again. And something else is that you'll have these blank lines that'll be separating the lines of code. So to delete an entire line, you can just press Command D, and that will just erase delete the line. And if you're on a Windows machine, I'm on a Mac, you press Command D. On a Windows machine, you would just press Control D to eliminate the line. So Command D, and then there's my new compact cell. All right, so I'm going to show this with one more set of cells. So this next set is going to combine cells 4 through 10, so that's 7 cells. Here I'm just doing a filtering. I'm trying to filter out these bike rides between, with a trip duration between 500 and 1,000. So I did it very slowly, one cell at a time, and looked at the output. And so if I'm happy with this, then I can go back up here and eliminate all this middle output just so I can get the very last output, which I am interested in. So let me go ahead and combine these 7 cells. I'm already in command mode. Its cell is highlighted in blue. I'm just going to press Shift M, and I'll rerun the cell, which is good. Now, you can also use Command D to eliminate not only just blank lines, but just other lines, such as this is now superfluous and not used anymore. So I'm going to eliminate all these lines that have head in them, except for the last one, which has the output. And so that's the final look at the notebook, and this is what you get after it's all said and done. So just combining cells with Shift N and then deleting the lines with Command D. Just so we can see it again quickly, I'll do this very fast. It's the same exact notebook. You can see it doesn't really take much time, and you can just quickly go through and combine the cells and then just delete the extra lines that are formed after combining. Okay, hope you liked that trick for Jupyter Notebook. I call it magic because it really surprises people when they see a bunch of cells just all of a sudden join together like that.